Hello little explorers, it's me, Mr. Bueka. Welcome to another episode. Today we have a very special guest in the house. It's our friend Bunny. Bunny is going to help us with the great alphabet Easter egg parade. How exciting. Let's meet another eggy friend today full of Easter joy and learning fun. Here comes the letter Y. Y for yawn. As in sleepy after all that fun. I wonder what other word starts with the letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Good job.
Hi, I'm Yasir the Yawning Egg, the letter Y. After all the fun, dancing, and laughing at the Easter egg alphabet parade, I'm feeling sleepy. Yawn! I love to snuggle up, take deep breaths, and let my eyes slowly close. Rest helps me grow strong, feel calm, and get ready for another fun day ahead. Thanks for joining me and all my egg friends today. I'm off to dream of rainbows, music, and eggy adventures. Good night from Yasir the Yawning Egg.
That was excellent. Come back next time to meet another Easter egg from our alphabet adventure. Happy learning!